breather. Let's keep working on the tail.
Hi. This is sure gonna be a great movie.
What we're going to do now is I have sprayed this part again with the leak seal, again just to give it a little bit more rigidity. And I have cut some more yarn bits, which again, just like I did down here where I punctured them through and then sort of made a net out of them, I'm going to do the same thing here. Here's where that fold is I was telling you about, where I folded it, silicone the inside and then silicone from the inside as well. So I've got fabric, silicone, fabric, silicone, fabric, all folded up so that I didn't get weird wrinkles here. And I can now just silicone straight over that because it's actually holding really nice. And by putting this over top and working the yarn in, there's no way for it to just sort of slowly pull apart, because this is going to be anchored in the silicone on both sides and it's like not stretchy at all. So yeah, so it's sort of like an exoskeleton of yarn, if you will. So let's do some of this. I should grab my crochet hook for threading that through. Yeah, so I just happen to have crochet needles around because I crochet like a lot. All kinds of different things. I do beading. I don't do beading as much anymore because I find them a little bit hard to see sometimes, unless it's like super bright. But this bracelet, I actually did that. I do a little bit of painting here and there, but crocheting is what I do mostly, I suppose. At any given moment, I've probably got like 4 different things in the process. So I didn't cut this tube as far back as I have been, because generally I'm cutting them right about here, so I can just almost dump the silicone on. I've just got the tip cut off so I can always put the cap back on and potentially use it again later. So mostly I want to just sort of be doing like base coating here and securing down the yarn where it's going to be. Again, this is less about getting it like super anchored, more just about tacking it in place, because there is much more silicone yet to come. And again, that's that fold seam right there that I really want to reinforce. Okay, so I think we will sort of lightly coat from here that way now. So I was planning on doing this part and then flipping it over right away. But really, this stuff has a surface dry in an hour. So instead of just flipping it, I'll just let gravity kind of work on the top and keep it stuck down. Because I barely even have to wait any time before I can just carry on anyways. We've got nice contact there. So we'll just leave it for a little bit and then we'll flip it and add some more.